Hello guys, this is Pyrotech 365. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to extrude in Blender. We are using Blender 2.80 for this tutorial. We'll learn how to extrude through the region, extrude by normals, and extrude through the face, and extrude by individual. Now we'll open the Blender, and from this we will we'll delete the camera and the light also. So there is a cube. We'll also delete the cube. We'll add a plane, and by pressing 1 we'll select vertices. These two vertices, we'll select two vertices and extrude it. We'll slide the vertices, and after slide the vertex, we'll select one vertex and then extrude it. Extrude the vertices. After that, we can extrude it through the region. There you can see, and extrude it. We'll move the vertex, and now we'll go by the extrude through region. Select the extrude through region, and there you can see we can do the extrude by the region. Okay, we'll delete up everything, and after that we'll add a UV sphere and go into the edit mode, and by pressing 3 I'll select the faces. There you can see we select the faces, and we can extrude along the normals, right? So I've learned how to extrude the normal. Again, we select the faces, and we can extrude individual faces. Let's see what will be happen if we do extrude along normals. See the difference. What is the extrude individuals faces and extrude along the normals from this point. So now we will add an iconic sphere and see. From there we can extrude along cursors. We can learn. We select the face and cursor. It can move along the cursor. There you can go. So we have learned how to extrude along cursor. We will control the Control Z to undo that and move to the previous point. So now we'll select all the faces along of the sphere of this circle, and we can scale and extrude it quite easily. Got it. You can scale and extrude it quite easily by selecting uh, these faces. Okay, we can also scale this up and down by pressing escape. By pressing escape, we'll go to that previous position. Now I'll select the face, and what will be happen if we apply extrude individual faces. If we apply extrude individual faces, so you can see what will be happen. Okay, if we select all the faces of this circle and extrude individual face, there you can see we can also bridge this up by pressing by selecting bridge faces. There we can bridge this thing. If the video is gonna helpful for you, and if you really enjoy this, please hit the like button and the subscribe button to stay with us for more upcoming video. Thank you.